Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at the FetchAI chart. It's a cryptocurrency, an AI coin, and the chart has changed a little bit, so we want to take a look at it right now. Let's go. We are now on our website, dailymarketupdate.com. What we need to do here, we click on the cryptocurrency section, but we also cover stocks, tech stocks, the S&P 500. So if you're interested in getting updates about these, you can register completely for free here on our website. The link is in the video description. Now let's take a look at the 2-day chart first. On the FET chart, we can see here that we're tracking a 1-2-1-2 setup. I'm not entirely sure if targets have changed a little bit maybe since our last update. They might have. What we're tracking here at the moment is possibly the end of a wave 2, which bottomed in 2024, and not so long ago actually. And we could have started this third wave rally to the upside. As you can see on the chart, this is based on our current assessment of the chart. It is the third wave of a third wave. We see here targets that are possible in the region between $6.24 to $8.36 for this third wave. Then another 4-5 pattern, but that wave 4, I can tell you that it will be extremely frustrating. Wave 4 corrections are often frustrating. They are often like sideways corrections, maybe even triangles. These represent indecision. They usually trend continuation patterns. And we know that after a third wave, very often a triangle occurs, or at least a very, very boring wave 4. So it could also be a so-called flat correction, which will, however, be very frustrating as well. Okay, so just prepare for that. But we first have to get to that target area. Minimum expectation here would be that $6.24 level. Can take a while to get there, but if really a third wave kicks off, it doesn't need to take very long. A third wave is typically the most aggressive element in any trend. And yeah, $6.24 would be the first ideal target. You can see that the 5.2 cent level down here is the formal invalidation point. We would have to reinterpret the chart below that level, and a break below it would certainly not be bullish. But this gives you an idea of the, let's say, medium-term, long-term targets, possibly for an upcoming altcoin season. Now let's take a look at the 1-hour chart. This gives us a better idea of where we are on the smaller time frame. Looking at the smaller cycle, you can see here that from the August low, the market moved up in a 1-2-1-2 setup. So it's possible that this wave 2 already bottomed here just a few days ago. I think it was the 6th of September, and we could have started the third wave rally to the upside. That would be the third wave of a third wave. Very aggressive trend. But that means we would need to see a break above $1.73, and we only see that at the moment with a likelihood of 35%. In our preferred scenario, the current rally that we see is considered a B wave. You see that here highlighted on the chart. An A wave bottomed in our trading area. We saw a bounce from there. Another slightly, lower low, but that support zone was never broken. And now we see another rally. So it could be an ABC, not shown here, but an ABC structure in a B wave flat correction before a C wave down occurs, before we then finally move up. We see that with a higher likelihood, and we assign currently a 65% probability to that scenario. They are both pretty much the same. It's just a different variation of the same scenario. Either way, important to understand that the $1.73 level here to the upside is a key breakout point. It is key resistance, which in our scenarios here, we would expect to be broken anyway, either directly or after a slightly longer A, B, C flat correction, where the A wave already bottomed. Then we're now in the wave C. That needs to complete before then a C wave down occurs. Important also to understand that the 80 cent level here is the formal invalidation point for the more aggressive 1-2-1-2 setup, and a reinterpretation of the 1-hour time frame will be needed if the price breaks below that 80 cent mark. For now, the focus can be on higher against the 80 cent level. So yeah, that's the update about FET, FetchAI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Also activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of the future videos. Let me know in the comments which other cryptocurrencies or stocks, tech stocks, or other asset classes you want me to cover in future videos. And don't forget to subscribe to the website. As I said, it's completely for free. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.